Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art, and I'm here to do a close-up on Heartfelt's Oh Holy Night collection. It's time to get ready for Christmas. Oh no! Okay, so I know there's a lot of Christmas in July stuff going on, and Heartfelt puts it out now so that they can get ahead of the game and let you start making your cards well before you're going to need them. So this is a lovely collection with very traditional colors and traditional thoughts and sentiments as well. So you're going to see these scenes a few times with this lovely little shepherd group, and there's your angel. Dies for this. A lovely scene in the stable. Some pretty script, pine cone, needle, holly, many of the things that they've actually had before. Here are your strips with the Holy Family and some lace. The back side, just lovely with the family and the animals surrounding them in the ornament, and then some nice pines and berries and script running throughout as usual. Here's another one with the larger cards as well as the smaller ones. As I said, it's a nice traditional grouping, and there's some really cute dies and stamps to go along with this. I'll show you in just a moment. Here are your sentiments. These are great to just cut out and put in a pop-up and set them on your card. Isn't that a sweet scene? Beautiful blue with the starry. It's neat how they kind of blurred it, right? So it's not a straight clear dot, it's blurry, so it really is like in the background. And with our angels playing the trumpet, the star, some palms, great for a layout. Here are some of the smaller cards. These are great for Christmas cards, to just get them out the door. Remember, you get 2 sheets of each, double-sided, so right there's 12 cards on these 2 papers, and then sentiments to go along with it. More on the side, warmest wishes. This is cute. I love the wood grain, the pine cones and the pine needles and the berries. A nice traditional Merry Christmas with a bow. Some little dot things going on at the top. Here's a tag page with our lovely small shaped tags. These are going to come in extremely handy during Christmas. You can make your card and your tag to match, or I make a lot of cards with these. Here's another layout page with the Silent Night, Holy Night in the scroll on the corner, the little candle which we've seen in their previous collections, the ornaments I'm going to show you in a moment, a lovely little cluster of pine cones and pine needles, and it's a really pretty bright happy green. And again, these all can make cards, so 4 times 3, 12 cards you can get out of this page, and you get 2 of them. You just pop them onto your small cards. You can layer them. You can use them as the sentiments inside, and there's lots of very good sentiments in here that would be useful for when you're rushing through those Christmas busyness days. And this one has, I think, yeah, it's got music, and there's little decorative layers going on as usual. Look at how bright, how much that color just pops out of there. That's great. I like the white swirls too, and the snowflakes. And here's another of that pretty blue with the skyline, the shepherds. They're adorable. Here's a closer look at them with the angel in the palm tree. And a nice green, plain, simple, well, I shouldn't say it's simple because it's got layers of little swirls, and then it's got snowflakes ghosting throughout it, and then it's got the big swirls and the red swirls. Very, very ornate. And this one of the Holy Family. And there's the swirls in the background with the star. Look at how the light comes down from the star. Isn't that sweet? It really does shine on the stable. Lovely colors. There's the star scene again. nice green and red plaid. I think these are going to be all possible to cut out with the dies. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure they've been doing that on a regular basis and having a page where you can just use your die cut. It's already done. You don't have to stamp them and color them. If you're in a rush, you can get layers and do some interesting textures and stuff without having to sit down with your markers or your paints or whatever. A nice red. Again, if you look closely, lots of interest there. 6x6s, 3 larger ones, a nice strong green. I'd say that's a Kelly green. Here's 6x6s of the larger layouts you saw. A very monotone. Well, I shouldn't say monotone because it has, of course, the layers of colors, and it is not done flatly. There's depth to it. Another of the 6x6s. Again, maybe that's the same one. I might be repeating. 6x6s of the other ones. And this is more of a limey, lighter green, but not all exactly, right? All exactly the same. And another tag page. Just beautiful. Lots of cards. You could take a, red and green paper and just pop one of these on in the center with a little decoration that you add to it, and you've got a really neat card to put along with a package or to send off to somebody. And I think, yeah, we're repeating. Okay, so to go with these beautiful papers, I always have a hard time getting into Christmas at this time of the year. I have to tell you, I was out in the garden and it's 9,000 degrees and here it's Christmas in the kitchen. Noel sentiment, really nice. Merry Christmas, believe in the miracle of Christmas. Let there be peace on earth, Christmas blessings. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, season's greetings. Wishing you the special warmth and beauty of Christmas and peace throughout the new year. Perfect, covers it all. The stamp is large. You could use it to emboss and make that your card. Maybe emboss it with gold or something. And that's the front of the card. Or this is going to be perfect to pop inside and sign your card. And it won't look empty and blank with just your signature on it because it's very decorative. So you get a lot of really good sentiments. That's perfect. And then here are the ornaments. The Noel ornament die set. So you're going to get this strip with all these holly leaves and swirls, and you're going to get this, but there's actually layers because this comes with 4 dies. So you're going to be able to cut out just the background if you want and have it in a different colored paper before you put your ornament on. And here's the Silent Night scroll with a Merry Christmas. A Merry Christmas with a bow, holly, and berries. A lovely little pine cone. I love these because you can make all the clusters and do them yourselves. And then the Silent Night, Holy Night scroll. And of course, here is the die set that goes with that. And then this is adorable, the Oh Holy Night. This has the angels. This is your stamp set. There's the silhouette of the city. Here's the family with the cute little animals, and there's the little shepherd kids. This is great. So this has all the, you can set the scene up the way that you want to. Use this as a background, foreground, whatever you would like, and then dies to cut them all out. So very sweet, and I'm sure that as soon as the holidays roll around, they'll think, why didn't I do more for Christmas in July? But Heartfelt didn't forget. All right, I have... well, I hope you all got to meet Raspberry, our new little Shih-Poo puppy. And I'll be back to show you updates on her. And I have a giveaway that I keep promising. And it's something that you can't always ordinarily find very easily on Heartfelt's collections. So hopefully everybody will enjoy that. Till next time, everybody, if you want any of these things or other companies' crafting materials, paper goods, etc., go to HuckleberryHerbs.com. Thanks so much for all the comments recently on my videos and the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It's very helpful. Till next time, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.